Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring what's new and the latest enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2025. From design to simulation improvements, these updates are designed to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. First up, let's talk about one of the standout features: the ability to convert 2D sketches to 3D with a single click. In our e-bike assembly, getting an accurate representation of the hydraulic brake lines is crucial. Previously, starting with a 2D sketch often left us with inaccurate paths and incomplete connections. But with SOLIDWORKS 2025, converting to a 3D sketch is effortless and precise. Next, modifying these paths is easier than ever. The sketch triad can now be activated on spline points with a simple click. This streamlines positioning complex 3D splines, making it a breeze to adjust and perfect your designs. And here's a feature I know you'll love: customizable sketch colors. Ever get frustrated when your sketch color matches the material color? With SOLIDWORKS 2025, you can easily change sketch colors from the right-click menu, making your work much clearer and reducing any confusion. Now let's move on to the parts enhancements. The chamfer tool now adopts the selection shortcuts from the fillet command. This makes it quicker and easier to apply chamfers, saving you valuable time. In SOLIDWORKS 2025, the new multi-body fillet feature allows you to easily round off edges on separate bodies. This enhancement simplifies the process and ensures a more cohesive design. Let's dive into linear patterning of planes and axes. Structure systems are now preferred over weldments for their ease of use and updates. Instead of 3D sketches, simple solid and surface geometry, or planes, can be used. With SOLIDWORKS 2025, setting up these planes is a breeze thanks to the new linear pattern feature. Even better, you can now specify instances to vary as an offset from another instance, rather than calculating the distance from the seed. This makes a lot more sense in many contexts and keeps your feature tree clean and organized. Continuing with SOLIDWORKS 2025, another fantastic update is the ability to copy cut list properties across all items. This feature saves a ton of time, especially when you need to update sheet metal components that aren't cut on the bandsaw. You can now apply changes to multiple items with a single overwrite. Additionally, configuring structure profiles has never been easier. This enhancement allows for quick creation of different variants for your FEA analysis, streamlining the process without needing extensive manual adjustments. With SOLIDWORKS 2025, communicating bend areas to the shop has never been easier. The new feature allows you to add bend notches directly to the flat pattern, making it simple for the team to align the part in the press brake. Additionally, SOLIDWORKS 2025 introduces a new spacing option in the simplified UI. This feature aligns slots to the center of the edge, making it effortless to build your tab and slot system from the inside out. SOLIDWORKS 2025 brings some fantastic updates to drawing management. First up, you can now reload drawing documents just like part and assembly files, making updates and revisions a breeze. Another great feature is the new automatic repair tool for dangling dimensions. Simply highlight any problem dimension, and the tool will help you reattach it quickly and easily. And for better organization, SOLIDWORKS 2025 lets you filter and organize your bill of materials by configuration and display states, streamlining your workflow and keeping your drawings neat. In SOLIDWORKS Assembly, the new roll-up feature is a game-changer for isolating components. It lets you quickly focus on specific parts, reducing clutter, and enhancing your workflow. Another useful enhancement is the ability to assign specific colors to components. This makes it easy to spot which parts have no material applied, helping you keep track of your assembly status. SOLIDWORKS 2025 takes Large Design Review, or LDR, to the next level with enhanced capabilities. For starters, the new breadcrumb navigation makes it incredibly fast to select the right component. LDR in 2025 also expands with interference detection. I've pre-selected a subassembly to scan for overlaps, and sure enough, there's an issue with the electrical cabinet and its structure that needs further investigation. Another great feature is Component Preview. This side window provides a second view for inspecting and modifying your design. Here, we can see the issue is with a misaligned hinge bracket. No worries with SOLIDWORKS 2025. In-context edits are available right within LDR, allowing you to make changes directly in the underlying space. Elevate your simulations with SOLIDWORKS 2025. If you encounter a low safety factor in linear static analysis, switch to dynamic analysis. SOLIDWORKS 2025 now allows you to specify response spectrum areas, target harmonic modes, and add customized base excitations, making your simulations more precise and powerful. For assemblies like chairs connected to the floor with springs, SOLIDWORKS 2025 introduces the new Abacus-powered orthotropic spring connector. This tool lets you control not just the axial stiffness, but also the lateral, torsional, and bending stiffnesses. That's a look at SOLIDWORKS 2025 enhancements. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned with ChampionXperience for more updates.